Yo, so on my ride, I smoked my fucking brakes. This came loose and all my brake fluid came out. Look how empty this is when I just opened it. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix these brakes. This is gonna be just like the ridstar. Someone was asking me how to fix the ridstar brakes. So we're gonna go over it right now. On the ridstar, it's an Allen. On this one, I think this is like a 10 millimeter right here. On the ridstar, there's an Allen on the inside that you're gonna do the same thing that I'm gonna do too. So boom, open your shit up, take the little rubber seal off. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have some GoPro footage from my ride earlier too. We're gonna need a clamp to clamp onto the brake once you pump that motherfucker. So go ahead and loosen up your brake. Get it so your thing is level. Twist your handlebars if you have to. Tilt it up or down if you have to. Get it level. Get your fucking brake fluid. Then fill her up. Start pumping your brake. But do it slow so it doesn't just squirt out. Look at all those fucking bubbles. Okay. Alright, now I'm starting to feel tension, see? And if I squeeze it too fast, it shoots up. So once you could feel your brakes locking in, go ahead and put your clamp on like that. Yeah, I was in the middle of this shit. I went on my fucking ride, and this happens. So once you got it tight, look, the handle is not down to the grip right now. So go ahead. On the ridstar, it's gonna be an Allen back here. So go ahead and loosen this bitch until it squirts out and just close it back up real quick. All right, a couple of drops came out and look, this went all the way down. So that's good, it went all the way down. So take this off and start pumping again. But if you pump too fast, it's gonna squirt all over the ground like I did. Look at how fucking solid my brakes are now. Oh shit, okay. And usually I put my thumb over it to stop it. Okay, keep going. Put the clamp on again. And then go ahead and do the same exact thing. And let's see if I can get it on video. Open. Look at it, just squirt. It fucking squirted out. I should have done it less than that. Okay, now the brake closed. And then repeat the process a couple of times till you get it really, really firm. And then lock everything up. I'll show you. Once you pump it and open it, pump it and open it, I did it probably 4 or 5 times to where I think it feels good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and top this off. Put my rubber gasket back in. Some fluid's gonna come out, but that's okay. And again, this is also how to do the ridstar brakes. Put that bitch on there and then screw the cap in.